If you want to know how we scaled to $1.3 million in just 59 days and won the 2 Comma Club Award for making $1 million in a single funnel, then pay close attention. This is not theory. This is the exact step-by-step process that we did, and it's something that you can apply to your own business. Before we dive in, if you want to go even deeper and apply this to your business, drop a comment below or check out the link in the description to join the new Golfpreneur School. It's a community for entrepreneurs who want to build, grow, and scale a business using social media, digital marketing, and online sales strategies. A lot of people struggle with scaling a business fast. You launch a product, maybe you get a few sales, and then things just stall out. Most people don't realize there's actually a repeatable formula for taking a business from completely zero to 7 figures rapidly. We did it with Lagshot Golf, and before that, we did it with Scratch Golf Academy. And that's not all. This award behind me right here in the middle, that's for making $10 million in a single funnel. So the strategies I'm about to lay out absolutely work. Let me go ahead and break down the exact formula that we use to scale Lagshot to $1.3 million in just 59 days. Now, the first thing that we did was we tapped into a proven audience that already trusted us. We own Scratch Golf Academy, which had a large email list of golfers. So before ever running ads, before even setting up an affiliate network, we actually made $153,000 in just one day by emailing to that list. Now, if you don't have an email list, the key lesson here is to find an audience that already exists and then leverage it. That could be your personal brand that you've been building, maybe a community that you're in, or even partnerships with people who have large followings, whether it be through social media or email. Now, most people start with cold ads, which can be an expensive mistake. You always want to start with warm traffic first. After launching to our list, we needed to scale fast, and the best way to do that without spending a fortune on ads was through affiliates. We reached out to literally hundreds of influencers, coaches, and brands that were already in the space, that already had an email list, maybe a social media following, or even communities. And instead of spending money up front, we let them earn commissions by promoting Lagshot. The result, we instantly had dozens of other people promoting our products, sending us traffic and sales without having to spend a dime on ads yet. Most brands fail because they try to do everything alone. But when you build a network of affiliates pushing your product, you're virtually multiplying your reach overnight. Once the initial sales started coming in, we reinvested back into ads, but not just any ads, not cold ads, retargeting ads. Most people start running Facebook and Google ads cold, which can be expensive and inefficient. We did the exact opposite. We retargeted everyone who visited our site from the email blasts and the affiliate traffic. This means they already knew about Lagshot, they had already shown some interest, and they were more likely to buy. Our cost per acquisition was lower than if we had gone straight to cold traffic alone. Only after we maxed out the retargeting did we start scaling with cold ads. We were dialing in the best creatives, the best headlines, and the best offer to drive more sales. We found a winning formula, and that's when we started scaling with cold traffic. Listen, there's a saying in marketing: he who can spend the most to acquire a customer wins. Most people struggle with paid ads because they only have one product. But if you want to scale aggressively, you need to have a higher average order value. We didn't just sell one Lagshot club. We created bundles. We offered the Lagshot driver and wedge combo. We offered a 3-club full set upsell. This increased our revenue for every sale that we made, allowing us to spend more on ads while still remaining profitable. This is what allowed us to scale Lagshot extremely fast. Because we weren't just making $50 per customer, we were making $150 to even $200 or even more for every customer. And it doesn't just stop with physical products. At Scratch Golf Academy, we did this with digital offers too. We had a $17 front-end product that led to a $67 upsell, then to a $97 personal analysis offer, and then that led to a $197 lifetime upgrade. The more products that you can offer, the more you can spend to acquire customers. Most businesses are just transactional. Another thing that we did is we built a community. We turned our affiliate team into our tribe. Instead of just giving them commissions, we made them feel like they were part of something bigger. We gave them free products, behind the scene content. We even gave them recognition inside our network. And when customers buy from us, they don't just get a club. They actually feel like they're part of the lag shot movement. This is what separates brands that survive from brands that dominate. You don't just sell products. You need to create a culture within your community and your brand. And that's how we scaled LagShot to over $1 million in under 60 days. Now, if you're serious about applying these strategies to your own business, join us inside the Golf Entrepreneur School. This is where I break down everything step by step, from building an audience, leveraging affiliates, maximizing your ad spend, and even scaling beyond 7 figures. Drop a comment below or check out the link in the description to get inside. And if you enjoyed this video or found value out of it, please hit that like button. It helps this channel grow. And make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of the upcoming lessons. I'm pumping out 2 videos a week to help you grow your business. I'm constantly sharing real-world business strategies that actually work. No fluff, no theory, just proven tactics to help you get better results. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.